Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can remove this door panel. First of all, you need to remove these things to unscrew screws, and after that from this spot. Friends, all there on Eclipse. Friends, after that, remove door panel carefully. And there we need disassemble wires. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.